kind of wanted a more richer, brighter color. We'll see if this goes. This is stain and poly together. This is classic oak, putting it on oak. We'll see. It's a little dark outside. They're doing that eclipse. Oh, I don't know if you need glasses or I need glasses. Don't hurt your eyes looking at it. But back to work. Whoa, my lights turned on. It's kind of dark outside. I think it's like 2 p.m. right now. It's already looking night right now. It's crazy. So for this backing, I have this, I forgot what this is called. It's but this is oak. It's just like a lining. There's a specific name, but it's at like Home Depot and Lowe's. It's a roll. They have different type of plywood, but this is oak. This is oak. It comes pre-applied with adhesive, and all you gotta do is kind of heat it up and push it on, and then you can just cut it with a knife. It's very thin. It's like paper, a little cardboardish, but it has the glue already, so you're just heating it up and then applying it over this, so you get away from all this plywood looking. I'm just doing this to the back. You don't have to. I have it, so might as well. Alright, now I remember. It's called edge banding. That's on there. I'm gonna let it, make sure I leave it alone for a while, let it dry. And then I'm just gonna go, I have a little bit extra at the bottom. I'm gonna just cut it with a razor blade and just slice it off from under. Pretty easy, but you don't have to do it. This just kind of makes plywood get rid of that ugly edge and make it look more like a solid wood, what we did in the front. But save money, especially these oak boards. I did oak. You can do pine if you want, but oak definitely looks nicer, but it was a lot more expensive, like 5 times the price of what a piece of pine was one of these are. So definitely adds up. So some edge badging, save some money.